So what's interesting is, although the phenomena that we prevent is actually a security-based phenomena, the benefits are purely business benefits. So we actually, by preventing those 15 to 25% of your visitors from leaving your site, they end up staying and converting. So we actually increase conversion rates 2 to 5%. Now, people are fighting hard for points of conversion rate improvement, but by actually lifting the conversion rates, we bring significant value. And that's actually how we price our product. We actually have a return on investment. We target a return on investment in 5 weeks or less. So pay back the solution and the rest of the year is gravy.